Okay, I look like a mess right now. I know I look like a mess. I'm on my phone because I'm letting my camera battery charge. I forgot to charge it last night. Anyways, so I know a lot of people do those get ready with me under like 10 minutes, but I don't believe those because they don't look like they're rushing. Anyways, cheer. Because I don't want my bangs to be too curled. I in fact did not do my makeup in 10 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, but I still need to do this eye for mascara, but you can tell the difference. Oh my god. Yeah, I just need to do mascara on this side, and then I need to put glitter on the bottom lash, like right here. Okay, it's Christmas today, and right now I'm just waiting for my friend to arrive here at my apartment so then we can head out. So we're just gonna go get dinner at KFC. Okay, actually, we did not get KFC, and if you don't know, KFC is pretty big in Japan, but we still wanted that KFC Japan experience, you know, just because it's big here. But it was all sold out, and we didn't know we had to book weeks in advance, or at least a couple days in advance, and we barely found out that information once we were at the counter. So to improvise, we just got some Korean fried chicken. It was still pretty good though. And I think we're gonna walk around after that, you know, see what's around. So there might be some lights that you might see, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, okay, actually I wasn't gonna do like put on makeup today because I didn't feel like putting on makeup, but I ended up putting on makeup, so we're here now. Let me show you the fits. Oh, and like jewelry. I was literally about to go out without jewelry. Recently, this has been my go-to jewelry. It's just these butterfly pearl earrings. I know you. Hi. Merry Christmas. Hi. Merry Christmas.
So give me like
Oh.
steak straw. Wanted to try was
Is it
like
that one?
it's literally any of these three or these two.
Wait. That's crazy.
Anything darker.
Is it black?
Kawagoe line. Please transfer at this station.
What'd you get?
This is the chocolate. This is the sweet potato, spinach, chocolate.
Just playing games. I know there's plastic love. Dance to the plastic beat. Another morning cruise. I kiss it to the. I know it got a
I like this one. Oh my god.
That is cute.
But I already have a towel.
I'm sorry. Why
It's kind of upsetting.
머리를 빗는 이 빗소리 밖에 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 정생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 본 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들도 조금만 더 늦게 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 좋지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하 oh, Baby I love you Baby I need you 이렇게 무겁고 작은 걸 oh, I can't leave you
For the first time, I will write my name just because of the way you say it. And I will memorize every line and hair to remember when you aren't there. We would walk along a tree-lined street with the breeze dancing at our feet. We would sing a song in harmony if only you hadn't left me. So I'll think of you once in a moon when I hear your favorite tune. And someday after a year or so,
Nice. 読める？
お、
何書いてる？
大吉。
いいじゃんそれ。ゆっくりゆっくりや。わー。
we will say goodbye just to say hello again. And we will get in fights just to get over them. We will be alright even if things won't stay the same. If only you had stayed. So I'll think of you once in a moon when I hear your favorite tune. And someday after a year or two, maybe then I won't be loving you. I'll think of you once in a moon when I see someone who looks like you. And someday after a year or two, maybe then I'll still be loving you. What if I